The lady teenager Umoto. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. Guys, if you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you are my fan, of course you know what to do, guys. Leave a sweet comment below, share the video, turn on your notification, and share with your family and friends. If you are my friend, I thank you so much, guys, for supporting this channel. I am so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so glad you're here because I told you guys you are my friends. You're not even my fans, guys. You are my friends through the comments that I'm reading from you guys. I'm so excited. And today I have a new update and a new video for you guys. The new video that I have is that today is my first retwisting of my dreadlocks. As you can tell, guys, I did my first retwisting. Look at it. Yes, guys, comment below, what do you think of your girl with her first retwisting? Look at that. This is my first retwisting. So as I told you before, if you have not watched a video that I put, the first video that I put last week about how I did my dreadlocks and how I decided to do my dreadlocks. I have never had dreadlocks before in my life, in my entire life. This is my first dreadlocks, guys. And as you know, if you're following my channel very clearly, I have very thin hair. My hair is not full. It's a kinky hair, but it's fine and thin hair. So I don't know how these dreadlocks are going to look, guys. You tell me. Let me turn around so you can tell me how. Okay, this is my first retwisting. As you can tell, guys, all my dreadlocks, look at that, they're very, very thin. So guys, after seeing my first retwisting of my dreadlocks, what do you think? Comment below if you have ever had dreadlocks. How did you take care of your dreadlocks? How long did your dreadlocks take to lock? Actually, when the loctician was looking at my hair, she was like, "Oh yeah, it's locking." I'm like, "What?" Only 3 weeks and she can see that my hair is locking. Actually, my dreadlocks, I can like locking. I was like, yeah. And she was like, don't cut it, because I was about to say like, maybe it's locks are not for me, maybe. She was like, no, you look absolutely amazing with these dreadlocks. As time goes by, as your hair keeps growing, these dreadlocks are going to be full, even though my hair right now looks thin. But she was like, that's how it looks like in the beginning. I know your hair is thin, it's fine, but as time goes by, the hair is going to get fuller and fuller and fuller. The amazing thing that she said about my hair is like, your hair is getting longer. Your hair is very long. I was like, really? And actually, when I was looking at my hair compared to the first video that I put, guys, if you can go there and look, my hair is long, very long. Look at that lock. My hair is very long, very long. And I was so excited about that. And she was like, yes, your dreadlocks looks amazing. Even the ladies who were in the shop, because it's this amazing shop, guys. Let me tell you, it's this beautiful ladies that they have this shop. Check the shop right here. This is the shop. They are from different countries. They're African ladies. They come from Nigeria. They come from Ghana. They come from Congo. Congo are the majority that I saw there. So this amazing. There's another lady from Uganda. So they have a shop that you go in there. Any style that you want. Anything you tell them. Like one day I said I need dreadlocks. Even if you say you want the sister locks, you want twisting, you want any kind of braids, flock lock, whatever you call it, it's there. They will do that work for you. And I was amazed because like if you go there with one head, there are 3 people like doing your head. So within 1 or 2 hours, you're out. I was like, how did you do this? Don't you get tired? They were like, no, we are used to this. And the ladies are so amazing. They're there Monday through Friday, even Saturday and Sunday. They're there. Some of them take off, some of them come in. I was so amazed with this shop. Guys, if you live in Arlington, Texas, here in USA, and you have never seen this shop, oh my goodness, you need to go there and they do your hair. I'll find the name. I don't know what's the name of the shop. I forgot, but I found the name. I'll put a link down there so you guys can check that. So if you live in Arlington, Texas, and you like to do your braiding, whatever you want to do done, they're there, and they're very cheap, guys. You can go there, do your hair. I love the shop. That's why I usually go there, so that they can do my dreadlocks. And the ladies was like, don't worry, your dreadlocks are going to be fine. Refer more people to come here so I can do their dreadlocks. So guys, if you want dreadlocks, holler me. I'll hook you up, okay? So to cut my story short, guys, you know I love to talk. So I was asking her, how do I take care now of this? Do I wash my head? She was like, no, don't wash your head right now. Just wait a little bit longer before you wash your head. I'm like, but my head itches. And she was like, oh yeah, I'm going to tell you what you are going to be using. And last week when after 3 weeks, when they were doing my hair, they were using another gel that I didn't like. So I told her if she can change my gel, and she recommended this one for me. So she told me, go buy this one so you can come with it so I can lock my hair. So this is a locking firm wax. It's a Manuka honey. It's a Jamaican mango lime. This is the one when you're doing your dreadlocks or you're locking your hair. This is the gel that they're using. It's very clear in here. It smells really good. So this is what she used to retwist my hair. It's clear because I didn't like the other one. It was brown, so it was making my hair or my clothes messy. I didn't like that. So this one really is really the best. So she said anytime you want to retwist, come with it so I can keep locking with it. So it holds really well. So she recommended really this one for me for hair resistance to locking, no build-up or no flaking. Okay, and she said you can as well use this one on your head. You can apply on your scalp. So it's really a good one. So, and I love it. And it was actually $5.99, right? You can find this in any beauty store in your area. I think they have this one. The name is Locking Firm Wax. Right here, guys. So this is what I'm using. At the same time, guys, you know I love wild growth. There's no way I'll do my hair in any style without actually applying my wild growth. So though I'm gonna apply this one, but I cannot forget this one. I'm going to keep applying this one because this is the one that makes my hair grow. Actually, I love this product. So oil, whatever it is, if you want your hair to really grow, you are struggling with your hair, this is the thing that's gonna make your hair grow. It's wild growth. Actually, it's wild. I believe it in this thing. I'm not promoting it. It's not a commercial, whatever it is, but it's something that's working for me. So if you grab this thing, it's going to help you. So with this one, it's going to help my locks. Wait a minute, and I found one more thing that's going to make my locks firm so they don't come out. So I found this one right here. This is locks and braid form control all day locks. This one right here. What it is, you shake it. It's a foam. Look at it. It's a foam, and then you apply on your locks, and your locks are going to be firmer. They're not going to be wiggling, you know. It helps your locks to be firmer. I love it. And the smell, guys, the smell. It smells really good. Oh my goodness, guys. They have this amazing product that can hold my locks. Yeah, so these are the products that I'm using for now. And she was like, you can come back after a month. I don't have to go back now after 2 weeks. So I can go back after a month. So for me, when she said you can come back after a month, I'm like, maybe a month. I can add another month. Maybe I can go back after 2 months. So guys, in 2 months or maybe a month and a half, I'll do another retwisting. and I'll update you how my dreadlocks are doing. But meanwhile, before I go there, I'll make another video, guys, after maybe 2 to 3 weeks, so I can update you how my dreadlocks are holding on, how the growth is doing, what's happening. So don't worry, stay with me in this channel if you want to see my journey of growing my dreadlocks. The girl who didn't know about dreadlocks, now she's going to have dreadlocks. Guys, if you are there out there, you're a dreadlocks community, hey, are you welcoming me? Am I welcoming your group? Because now I'm gonna have dreadlocks. Let me know, guys. I need your help, all your help that I can have, so that I know how I'm gonna take my dreadlocks or what it is. I'm still gonna wear my wig on top of my dreadlocks because I feel like my head is naked. I feel like I'm missing something because I can feel it's cold, you know. I don't know if I can go like this to work yet because I feel like empty. I feel like I'm naked. I feel like, I don't know, but I'm still gonna wear a wig. Maybe next time after the second retwisting, maybe I can start, you know, wearing my own dreadlocks without hiding it under the wig. Okay, but guys, I'm still gonna give you more of the wigs. I'm going to be unboxing more wigs. I'm gonna tell you how to be washing your wigs. I'm gonna tell you what kind of wigs are the best, what kind of the wigs are not the best. I'm still gonna be doing beauty. Guys, stay in this channel. I don't know what you're waiting for. If you're out there, you have not made your mind yet to join this channel, guys, go ahead and support your girl. Come on, support your girl. Don't be so mean. Come on, subscribe, hit the like button, follow, and don't forget, guys, to join our membership. Our membership is there to support the goal. Go there and check it out, what it's contained in our membership, guys. I'll leave the link of all these products if you have dreadlocks. If you wanna do use dreadlocks, I'll leave the link of all these products, guys, if you wanna buy them or if you wanna use them. Okay, check my link down below, guys. I'll see you. It was nice having you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.